Indonesian Petrol ships drove a Chinese Coast Guard vessel away from a survey vessel. The Indonesian authorities said on Thursday the vessel was in a disputed area of the South China Sea for the second time in 4 days. What really happened? Our next report getting you the complete story. Take a look.
On October 23, China once again provoked a country in South China Sea. For a second time in 4 days, Indonesian patrol ships had to drive away a Chinese Coast Guard ship from a research vessel doing its job in the region. Indonesia's Maritime Security Agency said the ship twice approached a research vessel called MV Geo Coral. They said that the Chinese ship was interrupting a seismic data survey being conducted by the state energy company called PT Pertamina. Chinese ships have regularly entered the area Indonesia calls the North Natuna Sea, fueling tensions between the two countries. The latest encounter took place in the disputed South China Sea, where China has unilaterally made sweeping claims. As a result, China has antagonized other countries in the region, such as Brunei, Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines, Taiwan, and Vietnam. China's 9-dash line, which it uses to roughly demarcate its claim to most of the South China Sea, overlaps with a part of Indonesia's exclusive economic zone that extends from the Natuna Islands. A 2016 international arbitration ruling involving the Philippines invalidated most of China's sweeping claims. But China has completely ignored the ruling and called it a sham. The Chinese Coast Guard ship CCG 5402 was first detected near MV Coral on Monday. An Indonesian patrol ship contacted the Chinese ship, whose crew claimed that the area was under Chinese jurisdiction. 2 days later, on Thursday morning, the Chinese ship once again approached the site of the seismic survey and did not respond to calls from the Indonesian Coast Guard. The Indonesian Coast Guard again drove the vessel away. This just fits the pattern of behavior for Chinese ships operating in the South China Sea. Chinese ships also regularly patrol off the island of Borneo and near James Shoal east of the Natuna.